Have you ever tasted homegrown tomatoes? If you have, you know they're an entirely different breed from the ones you find at the store. They're juicier, sweeter, and packed with a flavor that's simply incomparable. The first recipe we're diving into that celebrates these delectable fruits is a classic Caprese salad. Imagine this: slices of ripe, homegrown tomatoes layered with fresh mozzarella and basil leaves. Drizzle extra virgin olive oil and balsamic glaze over the top, then sprinkle with a touch of salt and pepper. That's it. You've got a simple yet mouth-watering salad that lets the tomatoes shine. Next, we're going to whip up some tomato bruschetta. This Italian antipasto is a testament to the beauty of simplicity. Combine diced homegrown tomatoes with fresh basil, minced garlic, balsamic vinegar, and olive oil. Then, spoon this vibrant mixture onto toasted baguette slices. Each bite is an explosion of flavors that'll transport you to a sunny Italian vineyard. Now imagine that tomato and basil combination tossed with pasta. Cook your pasta, then sauté minced garlic in olive oil until it's fragrant. Add in chopped homegrown tomatoes, cook until they break down, then stir in fresh basil. Season it all with salt and pepper, and toss it with the pasta. Suddenly you've got a hearty tomato basil pasta that's a testament to the magic of homegrown tomatoes. Our next recipe is a refreshing tomato and avocado salsa. Combine diced homegrown tomatoes with avocado, finely chopped red onion, and fresh cilantro. Squeeze in some fresh lime juice, season with salt and pepper, and give it a gentle stir. This salsa is perfect with tortilla chips on top of grilled fish or even by the spoonful. Lastly, we're going to make stuffed tomatoes. Cut the tops off large homegrown tomatoes and scoop out the seeds. Mix cooked quinoa or rice with crumbled feta and chopped fresh herbs, then stuff this mixture into the tomatoes. Bake them until the tomatoes are tender and enjoy a dish that's as satisfying as it is flavorful. These recipes truly showcase the unique flavor of homegrown tomatoes. Their natural sweetness and juiciness are the stars of these dishes, elevating them from ordinary to extraordinary. So the next time you're wondering what to do with your bounty of homegrown tomatoes, remember these recipes. They're a delicious way to celebrate the fruits of your labor.